You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. And today, I'm gonna make clay, Plastilina. Have you ever made clay before? Well, this is my first time, so I'm really excited. And I'm so glad to be sharing this experience with you. Cool. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is talk about all the different ingredients that we have in order to make our clay, Plastilina. We have flour, harina, we have salt, sal, we have cream of tartar. Can you say that? Tartar. Such a funny word. We have some food coloring. I have red, rojo, blue, azul, green, verde, and oh wait, silly me, this is actually, whoa, that tricked me. So this has a yellow top, Amarillo, so this must be Amarillo. Whoa, that tricked me. This is red, Rojo. Whoa. Whoa, I gotta make sure that whenever I pour it inside my clay, Plastilina, that I don't get those confused. Hey, can you remind me to make sure that I don't get those confused? Confundidos? Thank you, gracias. Alright, and I have a bottle of water, Botella de Agua, and I have oil, aceite. So the tools that I'm gonna use is a spoon, Cuchara. I have some Tazas de Medir, and I have some Cucharas de Medir. I have a Plato Hondo, and I have the recipe, Receta. Do you know what a recipe, Receta is? Yeah, it tells you how much to put of each ingredient and what to do. So we're going to put all the ingredients inside and then we're going to stir it up to make our clay, Plastilina. Are you excited? Because I know I am excited! Whoop, whoop. Alright, so the first thing our recipe, Receta, says is to put 1 cup of flour, harina. Alright, so 1 cup is this one, una taza. Let's get our flour and we're going to fill this cup up. And then we're going to, put it on our head? No, that's really messy. No, we're gonna pour it inside the bowl, Plato Hondo. Well, let's go. Wow. Cool. All right, that looks so fluffy. Hey, remember, get a grown-up to help you because, as you can see, this can get really messy. So a grown-up can help you make sure that you don't get too messy and you actually do the steps right to make your cool clay, Plastilina. Alright, next we're gonna have 1/4 cup of salt, sal. So 1/4 cup is this one. And now we're going to put a whole lot of salt, sal inside. Here we go. Whoa, that's so much salt, sal. So what are we gonna do now with this? Are we going to lick it? No, we're not going to lick it. That'll be really salty. We're gonna pour it inside the bowl, Plato Hondo. All right, here we go. Whoa, cool. Whoa, that's pretty cool. All right, now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon is this one. And now we're going to open up our bottle of cream of tartar and let's get 1 teaspoon. That was so much fun. All right, hey, make sure you put the lid back on because if you accidentally knock it over, you're gonna make a big mess. All right, now we have 1/2 tablespoon of oil, aceite. All right, let's open up. Whoa, that was so hard to open. I have to use my muscles. Let's go ahead and pour this inside. oily. Ooh. Okay, don't forget to put the top on there, because if you knock that over, bloop, what a mess that would be. Whew. I don't want to have to clean up that mess. Now we have 1/2 cup of water. Agua. Here's our 1/2 cup. And let's fill it up. Yeah, now we're gonna pour it. Whoa. Oh, man, it doesn't look like clay, Plastilina. Whoa, that doesn't look really cool. That looks kind of watery. Oh well, let's make my favorite color, blue, Azul. All right, we're gonna put a couple drops inside. Hey, can you count to 5 cinco with me? Cool, you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Whoa, that's really blue. Okay, now let's get our spoon, cuchara, and let's mix it all up. Try not to mix it up try not to be too wild with it, because if not, you're gonna make a mess. So let's kind of mix it up carefully. That way we don't make a mess and spill it. Are you ready? Okay. Whoa! Do you see that? Where did all the water go? Remember, there was so much water on top, and now it's getting really hard to stir it. Whoa! Let's keep on stirring some more. Well, we stirred it all up, so what do you think we should do now since we stirred it all up? Yeah, let's get our hands and let's try to roll it into a ball. That sounds like fun. Oh, wow! This is so cool! This feels just like clay, Plastilina. Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! So much fun! Whoa! Look at the whoop, 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 whoop. Ha. And what color is this again? Yeah, it's blue, Azul. So cool. Wow. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the other colors. Yellow, Amarillo, green, Verde, and red, Rojo. I'm going to make those colors, and then we're going to do something really fun to celebrate Halloween. So, stay tuned. Whoa. Wow, look at this. So, I've made 4 colors. I made green, verde, blue, azul. That one, it says yellow, amarillo, but it also kind of looks orange, anaranjado. So, somewhere in the middle. And right now, I'm making red, rojo. Oh, this is a lot of work, but it's so much fun. Remember, get a grown-up to help you, because you don't want to be too messy like me. Then you're gonna have a lot of work to clean up. So all I'm doing now is I'm getting the red clay, Plastilina, and I'm rolling it into a ball, making sure that all the ingredients are mixed very well. So that way we can do the next fun activity with this clay, Plastilina. Remember I told you, it's something fun for Halloween. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So what I did was I put all my clay, Plastilina, inside little containers. That way it can last a lot longer. Because if you just leave it laying around out in the open air, then it'll dry up and you won't really get to play with it that long. So by putting it inside a little container, it'll last a little longer, maybe a couple days. So I'm gonna grab my last container and I'm gonna roll it into a little ball. And now I'm gonna put it inside. Make sure I put the lid on. There! Now I have 4 different colors of clay, Plastilina. And now I have a big mess that I have to clean up. Uh-oh! Whoa! So now that I cleaned up my work area, I can actually have some fun. And my favorite thing to do whenever I'm playing with clay, Plastilina, is to use little cookie cutters. That way I can cut out different designs. And these are special cookie cutters. Can you guess why? Because they're Halloween cookie cutters. Look, it's a ghost, Fantasma. Woo! So many cool different shapes that we can use to cut out in our clay, Plastilina. Let's have some fun. I'm going to get my green Verde clay, Plastilina. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of flatten it out. What can we use? Or what would you like to cut out? Oh, look at this. This is a cat, Gato. Whoa, do you know what color this Gato is? Yeah, it's a black cat. Very spooky. Woo. If you have a black cat at home, I'm sure you're not afraid of a black cat, right? So now we're going to put this on top of our clay, Plastilina, and then we're going to push it down. Whoa! Tear away all of the extra clay. And let's see what's left. Gonna put this into a little ball. And let's push it out. Wow! Look! It's a cat! A Gato! See if I can pick it up. Whoa! Oh. Meow, meow! This cat isn't so scary. Yeah, it's so cool. Hey, let's do some more shapes. Well, I don't think it would be Halloween without a pumpkin. Calabaza. Well, I don't want to use red. I want to use this. It's like a yellowish orange color. So let's flatten it out. And let's get our pumpkin calabaza. And let's try to cut it out. Ooh, so cool. Wow, do you see this pumpkin? Calabaza? That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put it over here to the side with the cat, Gato. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at this. It's a bat, Murciélago. Whoa. I really think bats are pretty cool, Murciélago. So I'm gonna get my favorite color, blue, Azul, to cut out the bat. We flattened out the clay, Plastilina, and let's cut out the bat. Oh, look at the Murciélago. Oh, so cool. Oh, you kind of got a little stuck, but you can still see it. Yeah! Wow! This is so much fun! Let's see. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, not the green. I'm gonna get the red, Rojo. And do you know what these are? These are vampire teeth. Oh, it's Dientes de un Vampiro. Let's cut it out. Whoa! Take away all the extra clay. And let's see our vampire teeth. Oh, whoa, look at these I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna move it with my other shapes. Wow, it's so much fun. So I got to make the clay Plastilina first, and now I'm getting to use these cool Halloween cookie cutters to cut out different shapes. I have a ghost, fantasma. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Let's see. That's actually a really cool ghost. I have, oh wow, a pretty cool spider, Araña. You see? It has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Cool. Cut them out. Oh, the Araña got stuck. Whoa. Oh, it got stuck inside. Oh no. Ah, well, if you mess up, try again. Gotta be careful with cookie cutters because they're kind of sharp at the bottom, so make sure you get a grown-up to help you when you're using cookie cutters. Flatten it out just a little bit more. Oh, whoa! It looks like the spider's jumping out at me with its 8 legs. Whoa! Put this over here, and let's see. I'm gonna do one more. Oh, I like this. This is a witch's hat. Sombrero de Bruja. Oh. Whoa, that looks so cool. Wow, I really enjoyed cutting out the different shapes with my cookie cutters for Halloween. And it made it so much fun that I was able to make my own clay, Plastilina. Hey, what color clay Plastilina are you going to make? I like that color too. Well, in the description of this video, you can actually find the recipe, Receta, for the clay, Plastilina. That way you can make your own at home. I really hope you enjoyed making clay, Plastilina with me and cutting out these cool shapes for Halloween. Be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you can keep learning with me, Mikey. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free Halloween activity sheets. Hey, I hope you have a happy Halloween and make sure to be safe. Bye. Adios.